Alright guys, if you click on the link below, you will be taken to Messenger, and on Messenger you can download you're going to get an email with the welcome kit. Now what is the welcome kit? If you double click on it, you have a zip file. Okay, and so you double click on it here and you can see there's free brushes, free presets. So in the free preset, you've got Serge American Night, Serge Bad Weather, Serge Basic, Serge Black and White, and Serge Urban Look. It's a lot of free preset. You also have skies, you've got source files, and you'll see there's videos how to use them. I want to talk about the preset today, how you can retouch with one click. So first, how do you install them? This is my desktop, so I've unzipped the zip file, and now all I have to do is, in my Lightroom, I can go to Lightroom, Preference, and I can click here on the second tab called Presets. It says Preset, Show Lightroom Preset folder, and all you have to do is go to the Develop Preset. You see Develop Preset, and you can copy and paste. You see I've already done it. I can press Command T to open a new window in my Finder. I can get to my desktop. I can go here, and you just take the free preset, all these files, press Command C on your keyboard, and you go to that Develop Preset folder, you press Command V. I've already done it, and then you restart your Lightroom and boom, you're good to go. You've got Serge American Night, Serge Black and White, Serge Bad Weather, Serge Basic, and Serge Urban Look. It's all there for you. For example, we have this photo of the Zion National Park. So I'm going to go here to Serge. You see, when you hover your mouse over a preset, you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to click on, let's see, Serge Basic Drama. I think on this one is going to work well. And look at this in one click. Actually, let me put this away and this a little smaller so you can see better. In one click, backslash key to see the before, after. We already have a basic retouching. But you know, truth be told, a preset is only a starting point. All you have to do whenever you use one of my presets is click first on the circle to move the circle away to where the sun is. So the sun is here. You have to do that. And you can even make the circle bigger if you want. And there's a lot of spillover on the mountains, but that's how it was. So on this one, I'm not going to change it. And then you have to click here on the linear gradients, and you can, you can make the sky darker or brighter by lifting or pulling the gradient. But that's the basic idea. It's, of course, you can change the white balance if you want to, but I really like this. Look, one click before and after. Let me give you another example. This is a photo that I shot. This is a pano. I already made the pano of a beautiful sunset in Paris. I'm going to crop the photo so that we have the pano, well done. And then this time, last time I used Serge Basic Drama. This time I'm going to use Basic Sunset. And right off the preset, it's pretty good. But sometimes you have to adjust the black and white. So usually the few things you have to check is the black point. So you hold on the Option key and you click on the black. You make sure you got at least like 3-4% of pure black, something like this. And then you right click something with your Alt click on the white. You make sure the sun is not burned like this one. And then on this one, I think I'm going to add a bit more contrast and maybe a little more magenta because I can. Call me Mr. Magenta. Not so much. That's way too much. Okay, and on this one I can check if there's any gradients. So sometimes this one you don't have gradients, so you can add them. All right, you can add, but it's going to save you a lot of time. So maybe add some blue. Actually, let me go to exposure. It's going to put everything down to 0. I'm just going to minus a little bit the exposure. Make the blues a little bit darker. And and I forgot to do what I told you. Click on the circle. I can see there is something weird here. Locate the one circle and put it over the sun. Okay, but there's a lot of technology behind this preset. It does a lot of things to the photo. It's like 3 clicks and I did this. This is before after. This is how I retouch my photo, guys. I always retouch it using my preset. It goes really fast. I like to spend like 10-20 seconds on a photo, not more. And let me show you a completely different one, the black and white. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to make, maybe before we go to black and white, I'm going to maybe go to auto. This is a raw file. And so black and white, I'm giving you a lot. I'm giving you basically almost everything that I use for my black and white. And on this one, I think I'm going to click on AA, stands for Ansel Adams Drama Radial Circle Light. And check this out, just one click, before, after, one click. But so you have to click as usual on the gradients to adapt them to this photo. So this is way too dark. So I'm going to make this go up a little higher. I like when it closes the photo, but not that much. And voila. And then, you know, you can check the white point and the black point if you want to, because I think this one could have a little bit more white point. So black point, you hold on the option key, yeah, maybe a little more, and the white point. Let's see here, at least, let's go a little more to the right. Yeah, something like this. And voila, before, after. So this is a free gift for you guys. All you have to do is click on that messenger link that's below the video on YouTube. You know, you can just install them, follow the instruction, and play around with your photo. And let me know in the comments what you think. But, you know, make sure you check the linear gradient. Make sure you check the right whole circle. You know, it's not completely automatic. You have to adapt to every photo. But I love using presets. It's my free gift to you. Happy New Year 2018, my friends.